The raven and crow, commonly confused, exhibit distinct characteristics. Ravens, comparable in size to red-tailed hawks, possess a bulkier bill and distinctively ruffled neck feathers. Their low, echoing krook significantly contrasts with the crow's sharper, repetitive caw. Socially, crows gather in substantial flocks, unlike the typically paired ravens. Aerodynamically, ravens showcase intricate flight maneuvers, distinguished by their elongated primary feathers and distinct wedge-shaped tail, whereas crows display a simpler, steady glide with a fan-like tail. Despite their shared intelligence and versatility across diverse habitats, their contrasting behaviors and physical features distinguish them, despite often being misidentified due to similar size and hue.